It has been more than a week that this iPhone's camera has stopped crashing, so I don't have any more problems of the camera app freezing or crashing down or not taking any photos or videos. Yes, I'm talking about iPhone 16, and this is iPhone 16 Pro Max. When I bought it at first, after a few days, I started noticing the problem. The problem was is I think you are having the same problem as well. Whenever I try to open the camera app and then try to take a photo or video, what would happen is the camera would crash or freeze or not save any photos or videos. So, and then I had to keep on restarting every other day and then use the camera phone. And sometimes, when you had to take that photo and then you had to restart your phone, it was not very nice experience. So finally, it has been 7 8 days, the phone hasn't crashed. So I'll share you what I have done to solve this problem. For the first thing, what I did is I checked for software update. So you go to your your phone settings and then check for software update. So as of now, it says this is the latest software version 18.0.1, which is the available. So I have updated my iPhone to the latest software version. And the other thing you can do is you can force restart your iPhone. So there's a way of doing it. So there's an instruction. You press and quickly release the volume up button and then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button, and then it will, when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. I'll link this page in the description as well, so you can try force restarting your iPhone before updating your iOS version as well. But I highly doubt that this will solve the problem. So if this doesn't solve the problem, you can proceed forward. So try updating your software version as well. So for me, it didn't work. So what I did is I was always having a chat with the Apple support team. So I reported it to them, and then I told them that it wasn't working for me. So I was on the phone with them, and then what they suggested for me is to go to let me tell you something. So what I have noticed is, because I have transferred my previous phone's data and settings and set up this phone, while setting up this phone. So what I mean is I just transferred everything from previous phone to this new phone. So that's why I think a lot of users like me are facing problems. So one of the troubleshooting steps the Apple support team suggested me is to the reset the settings only, not the phone, but reset all settings only. So what happens is it will reset all the settings for your phone, so including your network, keyboard, and everything, but not your photos and videos or apps like that. So you might have to add your Wi-Fi, or you might have to go through the settings part once more. But so I did this, and then after I reset my phone settings, all settings, one more thing what I did is, let me show you what I did. I went back to settings, and then I went to the camera settings here, and then I made some changes. I disabled camera control, this button right here. I haven't used it much. I find it very confusing and very irritating as well. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what I did is I disabled, I selected the none option for the camera control, and but I still can use this as shutter button while taking a photo. And one more thing what I disabled is, sorry, if you scroll down on your camera settings, there's something called macro control. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is wrong. So what you need to do is disable this for now. So if you disable the macro control and the camera control, it's up to you. This is what worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you as well. So disable the camera control, disable the macro control, and reset your this is after you reset your phone settings. So after you reset your phone's settings and then disable cameras, macro control, and the camera control, then it will work for you. So it has been about 7 8 days. So I started the conversation on 6th October. So today is 12th October, I guess, 11th 12th October. So the phone hasn't crashed, not even a single time. And then I have been testing every other day, taking photos and videos uh, just to find out if it will crash again. So just to recap, what I did was I updated I updated my software version to the latest available version, but it didn't help. So what I did is, after updating the software version, I reset all the phone settings. After resetting the phone setting, what I did is I went to the camera settings over here, and then I selected none for camera control, and then I scrolled all the way to the bottom and disabled the macro control as well, and this has helped for me. And then I don't have to keep on restarting the phone every time. So this is it. Hopefully this video was useful for you. If there's any comments or anything, please don't forget to comment down. Thanks for watching.